And here we are. This is our room at Caribbean Beach. Sarah and Gabby are already testing out the beds. We opened up the 5th sleeper where Sarah claims she's going to sleep. We've got drawers over here. We've got space under the beds for our suitcases. We've got a Hey Disney. Hey Disney, what's the weather today?
In Lake Buena Vista, it's 56 degrees Fahrenheit with rain. Today's forecast calls for more of the same, with a high of 58 degrees and a low of 49 degrees.
I am Groot.
Whoa! Thanks for the heads up about the rain, pal. I got some special items in my bag that would depreciate in value if exposed to H2O.
So that's the weather. I have no idea. You probably have to take the pillow out. It's not going to close with the pillow in it. There we go. Great. We've got our nice big TV. Look at this giant TV, guys. OMG. I'm sad it does not say welcome Escobar family, though. It must not be the updated style of TV that does that, which is too bad. We got a little table that we've already started cluttering up with all our crap. Yay.
Woo!
And here's our sink area. Sarah's being creepy in the bathroom.
Matthew took a Bible.
Matthew's got the Bible. These doors.
Turn on the shower.
I don't know. Did Daddy turn on the shower?
It's dripping.
¿Usted encendió el shower?
Aquí.
¿Usted encendió el shower ahí?
¿Encendí?
Yeah.
No.
No? Daddy says he did not turn on the shower.
Dripping.
Matthew, you're at fault.
¿El qué encendió? El agua.
Oh, it's dripping down there a little bit. Not terrible. We've got our refillable toiletries that everybody likes. Yay. And Matthew's still got the Bible. Good boy.
Bible? Where's the Bible?
Matthew has the Bible.
Matthew, give me the Bible. Ah, the Bible! I'm scared. The big old
Y en la
God
Biblia.
will eat me.
¿Y esto por qué anda sacando la Biblia? Mira,
It's the Bible.
¿dónde estaba?
Aquí.
Okay.
¿Y esto para qué anda?
And we're on the ground floor here.
¿Esto qué es?
What? Hey Disney. Show Daddy how Hey Disney works. This is the view out our door. We requested ground floor because we have a stroller, so this is easier for us. Look at these nice curtains. These are cute.
No. No.
That's it. That's our room at Caribbean Beach. Too bad it's raining right now. Otherwise, we'd go out and explore. Instead, we're going to unpack and get set up. Bye.